Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day. Today I'm going to showcase how I made this very simple folio slash album slash journal out of 3 envelopes. I've done several tutorials about this already on my channel, but this is an easy way to create something quick. You can be used to gift it away as well with. But in my head, I wanted to put more like an ephemera holder to put things inside. Each page has a belly band. We've done this together last month. So again, if I remember, I will put the link down below. But yeah, it's a very, very easy and quick, effective way to create something unique. And there is a magnet on the top as well, just to keep I quite like the envelope shape, so I put the magnet so when it's shut it stays like that. You can put anything in there as well because it will keep it shut. So that's kind of like the shape I like, because I really liked the traditional envelope shape. Okay, keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so the starting point are some envelopes. I've done many tutorials of this, so I won't bothering you with this. But the only thing you're gonna do is simply glued the lap of the envelope into the other one. Okay, so you create this, and you can keep this as a pocket, which I think I'm going to do, or you can glue paper on top and keep that as simple as a booklet. Now with this, you can go on and on and on and make this journal as bigger as you want or as smaller as you want. I mean, I'm only going to use 3, but I think I'm going to close mine like so. Okay, and then this will be a reinforced cover, so I'm just going to do something like that. Just very, very, very simple to make. Okay, so it's just literally like 3 pages. Okay, so I'm going to decorate, and I think I'm going to use I have not showcased this paper for quite a while, so I thought let's do something with them today. These are my around the world digital papers, and purposely I'm going to use just the one from Asia. I'm going to make some borders with that. So this page is being designed like washi tapes. I think I got some anyway, so I'm just going to play with those. I'm just going to cover it, the mini. It's not even an album, it's just literally like 3 little pages, and I've got some borders that I want to use as well, just to make this little page a bit more interested. Not sure if I do. I'll have a little think and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've done. So I literally use all my paper, and put it on top of the envelopes. Very, very simple, literally like just a cutting exercises. On the front, I have used, these are mini magnets. I got a few, I only got like these left. Got this off Amazon, and I pop one in there. I don't know if you can see, and I fussy cut a paper lantern on there and there. So can you hear? So they clip all together. And then what I'm gonna do, just simply like just to decorate it, we made this together more than a couple of weeks ago. I think it was last month. These are belly bands. Okay, so I'm going to use it to decorate this little folio. So just literally gonna glue top and bottom, and then you can slide ephemera or anything in between. Okay, so I'm gonna do one in the middle, and I thought one on each side. So one there, and then one maybe on the other side. Okay, I'll have a little play and I'll be right back. Right, that's it guys, I'm done. So let me show you. On first page, I have glued down the origami paper flower we done together again last month, and then here I just put all the belly bands. So one in the middle, one on the other side, and one kind of like in the center. And I think because it's kind of like the same color palette, they all match, they all blend, I think. What do you guys think? Although it's kind of like a completely different theme, I think it's all blend together. I love it. Now, this is the base, and then I think I'm going to put a few little bits and pieces. But yeah, I think this is a very quick, easy way to make a journal out of envelopes that you really don't take much. And then on here, this you can gift it. You can put like gift voucher, or you can put some sweets, like little bag of sweets, and you can put some money as a little bar of chocolate as a birthday present as well. I think it's super cute. Guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Everything I have used is linked down below, so if you guys want to check it out. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and then until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.